Today's video is an anti-haul because you just don't need everything that's being sold. I kind of want to make this into a series because there are just way too many impulses just wrecking our brain. So let's just try to bring it down a little bit and talk about the things that we actually don't need. If you're interested, then please subscribe and keep on watching because we're starting it right now. Let's start with Catrice because they always come out with new things. And I don't want to hate on them, but there are definitely some things that I just don't need and I don't think many of us would need. The Blush and Charm blush sticks, they're gorgeous, probably really creamy, but don't we all have enough blush sticks and multi-use products? You can actually use a lipstick as a blush stick. I'm just like really bored of these. The sculpting thing, same thing, absolutely bored of these things. The More Than Glow liquid highlighter, I mean, it looks kind of promising, of course, in the promotional pictures and videos, but most of these products are basically just grease. If you put them on, they don't look like a glow, they don't look like a powder highlighter would, like an inner glow. They would just look like grease on your face. And unless that's something that you actually want, I'm just not gonna be picking up any of those. Even though they have a pink one, I'm just not interested. I would rather stick to their powder highlighters because those are gorgeous. And I have a bunch. And the multi-use jelly pot, honestly, multi-use, I'm just so sick of multi-use products. If you have one lipstick in your collection, then you already have a multi-use product that you can put on your cheeks, on your lips, even on your eyes. I mean, depending on the color, but I'm just really bored of these. And most of these are honestly just a gimmick, nothing else. But now leaving Catrice alone because I feel like I'm always shitting on them and then moving on to a little bit more higher end things. YSL is coming out with a new nude eyeshadow palette. And I think the best thing about this product is the packaging. It looks like a purse if it's closed, like a small money purse. Honestly, I'm just so not interested in this product that I cannot even tell you. I mean, many of us bought the Maria palette. I have the ethereal one. I just so don't need another nude palette. I think probably none of us do because we all have multiple palettes if we're interested in makeup. And most of them are nude. These colors are everywhere. I have one product from YSL Beauty, which is a lipstick. And it's okay, it's just nothing special. So I'm definitely skipping this one. Then I've been looking at the Too Faced stuff. Honestly, they have also like a lip oil and a jelly lip tint, and lip tints and lip oils just bore me so much. I mean, I have 16 lip oils, all of them from different brands. I feel like from Clarins to L'Oreal, I have the range and it's just nothing special. It's also this product, this jelly lip oil gloss. Now they don't know if it's a lip gloss or a lip oil. It's supposed to be everything, so I think it means that it's probably nothing. It's just really boring at this point. So yeah, just all of the new releases. These are things that would have been fun like 5 years ago. I don't know when these came out exactly, but I'm definitely like not interested in these. Like the big chunky sticks from Makeup Forever. Honestly, no, just why? What? Like multi-use? No, enough of the multi-use stuff. Like we all have stuff that we can use multiple ways. It's just a way to do your makeup, to use everything that you have to. Most of its potential. It's definitely, you don't have to pick up a new product to do that for you. So that's definitely no. And also they're probably practical for nothing because they're too big for the lips, weird for the face, not the best shape for the eyes. I'm just like not interested. I know that influencers are pushing it. I don't care. Yeah, I've seen this thing yet again, a phone accessory makeup. Charlotte Tilbury came up with the mini versions of her powders that you can attach to your phone. Yeah, it's realistic to have your phone on the bus and then have a makeup thing hanging out. And then how do you put it in your bag? Like what kind of a bag do you need for this? Yet again, it's practical for the people who actually don't go to work and they don't have to carry their stuff. No, just absolutely leave me alone with these things being attached to your phone. Absolutely not. I'm not attaching anything to this. Just a phone case. That's enough for me. Yeah, Givenchy came out with lip oils. What is it called? Serum lip oils. Some of the colors are nice in this, but honestly, more lip oils. Don't care. And also the Chanel, I can show you like Chanel palettes. They've had this shape for like 20 years or 15 or something. I'm just so bored of this. The colors look nice, but I'm pretty sure it's costing like my gas bill. So no, I just don't need these at all. It's just literally, and then this palette, like, please update the design. I know it's supposed to be classy and timeless, but I'm just so bored of these, thankfully. Too Faced, yet again, glowing liquid blush. Yeah, 4 or 5 years ago, this would have been fun. Not right now, definitely. And then there is something that I was kind of intrigued when I've seen it online. Natasha Denona is coming out with new blush duos, which have a cream and a powder in it. And I'm not gonna lie that there is like this fuchsia purple interesting color that I am definitely loving. But honestly, more cheek stuff. What it seems to me right now that every company is coming out with liquid blush and then multi-use products and lip oils and probably really, really boring eyeshadow palettes. I don't care. So you guys, we do have enough makeup. We don't need to be buying anymore. Just please dig into your collection and use what you already have. That's what I'm doing. And then until the next time, where I can de-influence you to buy more stuff, more new things, please stick around and bye-bye.